Hello to all the viewers joining us tonight. Tonight is a very special night. Tonight we have the Emperor Liu Bang of the Han Dynasty. We are so excited, because tonight we will be getting some insight on the Han Dynasty as a whole. So, Indiara, this interview is officially in your hands.
Thank you, Miss Parker. Joining me is Emperor Liu Bang. Emperor Bang, what was the beginning of the Han Dynasty?
Thank you for having me today. Well, in 207 BC, the army led by me conquered the troops of the Qin dynasty in 221 to 207 BC of Zhou, now Hebei province. In 206 BC, I seized Xi'an Yang, the capital city of the Qin dynasty. This ended the rule of Qin. After 4 years, I defeated my rival Xian Yu and established the Han dynasty from 206 BC to 220 AD. Establishing Chang'an, the present Xi'an, as its capital city in 202 BC. I know that was a lot of information, but you did get what I'm saying, right?
Well, of course, but how many dynasties were there?
There were actually 2 dynasties. There is the Western Han dynasty, from 206 BC to 24 AD, and also the Eastern Han dynasty, from 25 to 220.
I see. Well, we'll be right back after these quick announcements. Stay tuned, everyone.